everybody, this car is a 2018. I'm going to show you all the wiring from 2013 to 2020. Okay, if your car is 2012, the wiring might be a little bit slightly different. Okay, if your car is 2013 to 2020, the wiring, the main harness is going to be the same, but it's pretty much similar, you know, as the one that we can see in the video. Okay, so basically it's pretty much the same. Okay, and the original panel is going to be like on top of this panel. Okay, and then this is the original screen. The harness at the back behind the screen is like this. Okay, we do not need to use all this kind of wiring here. We don't need to use this one. This is the USB. Okay, we will show you. Okay, this one we just need to unplug it. This one's unplug it. This one is for the clock. Okay, we need to unplug the clock and move it to the new system. Okay, and then the air vent too. We need to move the air vent, transfer the air vent to the new system. Okay, this is the main harness. You can see that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to remove this one. Okay, you can see that it comes with couple screw here. It's really tiny one. Okay, remove this 3 screw. I'm gonna show you after. Okay, but now I'm gonna show you how to run the main wiring first. It's very important. Okay, this is the original USB. Okay, this in the package you will come with the USB adapter, which will allow you to connect the system to the original USB. Okay, leave it inside, and then in this USB you come with 2 USB. Another USB is going to be running to the glove box or maybe wherever you want. Okay, depends on your personal preference. Okay, and then this one, another side is connected here to connect to the original USB. Okay, this is the radio antenna. Okay, this, do not use this one for the radio. Okay, you can leave it on the side. Okay, we don't need all this. Okay, we can just tape it. All right, and then the GPS antenna, you can run that on top of the air vent here. Use the double side tape. Okay, so you will hide under the dash. Okay, and then this one is the main harness here. It's very important. Remember to connect this one. Okay, remember to connect the CAN bus. Okay, and then second thing, this car also comes with Alpine premium sound system. Okay, this system also supports the Alpine sound system as well. And you can see that on the main harness here, forget about the Chinese word here, and then you can see that the camera, okay, the camera here is the reverse camera input, okay, to the system. Okay, this one is the video signal from the main harness. Okay, you just need to connect this one to the camera. Okay, forget about the word here, this camera here. There's another camera here. You might get confused, but this is not for the reverse. This is the side camera. Okay, you don't need this one. Okay, so basically you just need to connect this one to here. Okay, first of all, we need to. Okay, perfect. Now we are gonna connect everything to the car and test it. Okay, and then so I can show you how it works. Okay, but first of all, I'm gonna take out the clock from the original panel first. You can see we need to use socket size number 4. Okay, socket size number 4 to, this is the new system. Okay, we are gonna put back the screw. This is the clock. Okay, okay, in this video I'm going to show you, this is the Bluetooth antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. All the connector here, they have different size. Okay, so you will not miss it. Okay, if you're not going to install the aftermarket amplifier, you do not need all this kind of cable, but you can keep it for the future. Okay, so this is the radio antenna here, GPS antenna is right here. This is the main power harness. Okay, this unit also supports HDMI. Okay, it supports HDMI output. Okay, it's a little bit loose. I need to make it tight. Okay, it's right here, like the original. Perfect. Okay, and then now we need to take out the air vent. Remember to put the foam here. Do not break the unit, do not break the screen. The screen is not covered by warranty. Good. Okay, and then there's an air vent here. There's no screw here, just be careful. Okay, there's a couple clip here. Okay, it's already gone. Okay, now, but don't break it. Okay, don't break this kind of thing. Okay, and then another thing is right here and the sign. Okay, right here. You can also take out this one and move it to the new system. Okay, you can make it. I'm gonna put some too. We need to remove all those clips and put it on the side here. Okay, put it on the side here. This one, you can see that we don't need to put the clip here, okay, but we need to put the clip. This one is for the air vent, okay, but we need this one, so otherwise you can't hold the position. Okay, now this is off. Okay, so we need to push this one to the side. Okay, this one face outward. Okay, this one will hold the position. Okay, and this one too. You don't need to use this kind of tool. You know, any screwdriver can get the job done. Okay, it's no big deal. Push it back first. Make sure you can still hold the position. Okay, perfect, done. All right, and then this air vent can go inside here. All right, but I'm not gonna install this one right now. We can install it later. Now I'm gonna test this system first. Okay, let's come here to the front. How to connect the wire? First of all, this one is the emergency button. Okay, we connect this one. We want this one to the top first. Okay, organize the wire here. Don't make it too messed up. Okay, if necessary, you can take it. Okay, but first of all, we can try the emergency button. Perfect. Okay, and then now we can connect this one. Just follow my procedure. Okay, this one is for some other stuff. All right, all right, this is USB. All right, perfect, that's it. Connect the power at the end. Do not connect the power at this time. Okay, the antenna is right here. You can run the wire to the bottom. Okay, now we can connect the power, but you can try to connect the power at the bottom to hide the ring arms because this one is at the bottom, right? Okay, now it's time for us to install it. Done. Okay, now we can turn on the unit. Of course, you also need to connect the clock here, you know. Okay. Okay, the clock, you can adjust the clock after. Make sure it's working. Emergency button is working. We can put the air vent after. Perfect. Okay, we need to test the climate control and everything, make sure it's working. And then step on the brake. Check the reverse camera. Perfect. Okay. The camera is working. Steering wheel control is working.
Best thing of all, so I just started it all. You're home out.
Make sure all the steering wheel control is working. Okay. And then tie the temperature here. You can see that because this car comes with the air suspension, so that's why it makes a little bit noise, but the noise is not from the unit. Okay, so we can feel that. Perfect. Okay, you can also control all the heatsink from here. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, we also have another video to show you how to use the system as well. Okay, make sure all the steering wheel control is working as well. Okay, the Bluetooth button is also working here. Okay, the Bluetooth button, the volume button is at the back. Everything is perfect. Okay, now we can put everything back. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you. Bye bye.